of them.
They're going to put Ben and Jerry out of business.
We're going to also get a 5-second delay.
Then this man will get you online and we'll get you up there as soon as possible.
Oh, I think I'm logging on again.
I don't want to do it.
And you guys also can get a poster if you want as well. We have posters. Did you want a poster?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go get some. Split the box.
Come on. Mama Grinder.
Hey!
Oh my God, like the shaking.
Right here.
5.
It's great. It sounded great.
You ready?
Come on, now, Susie.
5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So now, America, with an open heart and an empty stomach,
I say unto you, in the words of my uncle, allez, cuisine.
it's one more ingredient to this bottle.
Secret ingredient.
The favorite one, Java Chef.
Often is variations.
Today's secret ingredient is... Yeah!
Woo!
I like that.
Good job. All right.
Disqualified.
Good job.
I'm thinking this might be on America's Most Funny.
Carried away as well. Good job, everybody.
Congratulations, guys.
You can't push the flush. All right, who wants to go next?